Getting AMD Error 182 while trying to install Radeon drivers? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix it step by step. Super easy. So this error happens when the AMD Auto Detect tool cannot find a supported GPU. And this is common on laptops with both Intel and AMD GPUs. So first, before fixing it, you can check what AMD GPU your system actually has. You can open the device manager by clicking on the Windows plus X in here and go to the device managers in here and look under the display adapters. This one. So if AMD GPU is listed, good, then the issue is just the software. Next one, you can just download the right drivers manually. Since Auto Detect isn't working, so let's just install the driver manually. You can go to the AMD website and enter your GPU model here. So after you download, you can just run the AMD cleanup utility. If you already installed an AMD driver before, you may have conflict, so run AMD cleanup utility to remove old files completely. And this will remove all AMD software. Make sure to save your work before running it. And now let's just install the new driver manually. Open the installer you downloaded earlier here on the downloaded files, and you can just follow the on-screen instruction. So to avoid this issue in the future, you need to disable Windows Automatic Driver Update so it doesn't install outdated drivers. And that's it. AMD Error 182 is fixed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. And don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!